In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Gmail without verification code, 5 minutes. This guide is for recovering access to your own Google account when you can't receive a verification code. We'll use Google's official recovery flow, which is the safest way to get back in without bypassing security. Start by opening a browser and going to g.co/recover. This page is designed specifically for account recovery. Type in the Gmail address you're trying to access and select Next. Double check for spelling errors here because even a small typo can send you down the wrong path. Depending on your situation, Google may ask for the last password you remember, especially if the account was recently deleted or you've tried signing in before. If you remember a recent password, enter it. If you don't, choose try another way. That link is key when you can't use a verification code. Google will automatically move you through alternative checks. From here, Google will guide you through steps to confirm it's you. The exact prompts vary per account, but common ones include answering security questions you set up previously. Provide answers as accurately as you can, and if a question doesn't feel familiar, try another way again to see a different option. If you don't have two-step verification available or you can't receive a texted code, that's okay. The recovery flow can still continue using other signals. A helpful tip is to complete these steps on a device and in a location where you've signed in before, using the same browser and network if possible. Those details can improve your chances of successful verification. You might also see an option labeled two-step verification phone. Select it if it appears. Instead of entering a code, Google can send a prompt to a phone or device that's already signed in. Approving that prompt confirms it's you without needing a texted code. Once Google verifies your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, use a mix of characters, avoid reused passwords, and consider saving it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose it again. After you're back in, take a moment to review your recovery options in your Google account settings. Make sure your recovery email and phone are up to date, and consider enabling device prompts so you can approve sign-ins without relying on SMS codes in the future. That's it. Follow these steps at GCO Recover, stay patient through the prompts, and you'll regain access securely without needing a verification code.